So the first things, a binocular. My father loves to watch animals. I think he got it when we were visiting Pench, and he loves animal and he loves watching birds and mountains as a closer level. So he got this binocular for himself, and he even uses it whenever he's going for any site visit or so. And these are actually, I think this is one of one of his really close purchase, because me and my brother, we used to fight a lot during our sightseeing for this binocular, because obviously we all wanted to see the site from a much closer, or see an animal in a zoo or park or something at a much closer level. So these are really special for me, but he got them, and at the time we thought it was an impulse purchase, but to be honest, I have grown to like them a lot. So first one was binoculars. Second thing, my father is a collector of any stationery that you can possibly think of. He loves his stationery, and I think that as I grow older, I have gotten this characteristics of him, that even I love stationery. But he has diaries. He collects these diaries, and these are like monthly, and he has used the other months. Like, these are the monthly diaries, and he has actually used the other months, diaries. He actually uses this every month, and he keeps it in his pocket every single day, right? And these diaries, he has a lot of files. These are only few. I didn't get all of it, but these are only few. But he has like a covered kapura, like a block. He keeps his files in his bag and everything. I think it's his way to keep things organized that I need to learn. And yeah, these are not even 1/3 of his total stationery but I just wanted to include them in videos because that's the only thing I could get my hands on, because other diaries and stationery I'm not allowed to touch. So next thing is very interesting actually. Torch 1 torch 2, torch 3, and the thing I'm using as my ring light is also a torch of my father. So he is also a collector of torches, because these torches are for different things, to be honest. As my father has said it, that this one is for like during inspection when the light goes off, and it's really good for lighting up the room, while this one is for when he's traveling, because this doesn't light the room completely, but it's really good if you want to say look at something. And this one is for home use, because sometimes the light is not friendly with you and you need something. And the other one, the other one that I have is actually like a dinosaur flashlight, because it actually reminds us all of the movie, dinosaur movie. I watched Jurassic Park movie we watched, and it's kind of resembles to that. I'll like put a picture somewhere if I find it. But these are also something that my father collects. Other thing that I think most Indian fathers would be collecting is n number of batteries. My father has like every type of battery you can think of and more, and these are again not even like half of what he actually owns. These are like bits and pieces that I could get my hands on for the video, but these are these are the things that I think every Indian father collects them. But these are the things, now most of the things I feel like are chargeable things and not battery, but some of the torches and so on are actually battery oriented, and you always need them for remote and AC remote or something. So these are very handy again. The last thing that my father has that I don't think he needs anymore are maps. If you have seen my last last few videos, I think there are maps behind me. There are 2 maps, and almost our house has 5 to 6 7 maps in general, and most of them are not even put up yet because we don't have place to put up any more maps. But these are 2 more maps. This is a huge one, and there's also one more map which is not getting used at the moment, but we do have it. Yeah, but we do have it. And he has a lot of maps already on our table. He is somebody who will bring map to you if you are a student. Especially he gives out maps to us, and he also has 2 globes, by the way. One of them is packed and one of them is on his table. So I would agree that his geography is really better than most people that I meet. And but I don't think we need any more maps around here because this is getting out of hand. We don't even have place to put this out. Right. One thing that I would definitely learn from my father is how to be organized. I wish I was much more organized as he is. That would be really helpful for me as a person, to be very honest. So yeah, that was it.